Welcome back to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today the topic is section formula. Section formula is important chapter in ICSC class 10th mathematics. Now we will discuss about section formula. You have know that this is the coordinate plane and this is the point A such that 2, 3, A point 2 and 3, and this is the point B 4, 5, minus 4, 5, this is the point B, and point B and A is a straight line. If you divide the point A and B in any ratio such that any point, then what is the coordinate of this point P? What is the coordinate of this point P? If any two point A and B divide by any point P in a fixed ratio, then what will be the coordinate? Coordinate means abscissa and ordinate of point P. You can get it easily by doing simple formula. If you are trying to get the point P, suppose that you have a line A and B. If A had coordinate x1, y1 and B had coordinate x2, y2, and it is divided by point P, and the ratio of AP to PB is, let M ratio n, then what will be a coordinate of point P? Suppose that coordinate of P will be x and y. How can you find the x? Very easy formula, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. You can get the point P value of x by applying this formula. And how can you get the value of y of point P? Applying simple formula, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. You can easily calculate the value of x and y of point P if point A and point B divide at place P in the ratio of m ratio n. It is the section formula. If you take example of x 2, y1, 3, 4 and 5 and 2, 3. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Then what will be the value of x? M is 2, x2 is 4 plus n, 3 into x1 is 2, m plus n, 2 plus 3, 2 4 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6 upon 5, 14 upon 5 is the value of x. So you can write the x and y, and the value of x is 14 upon 5. Now the value of y, m2, y2 5 plus n 3, y1 3, m plus n 2 plus 3, 10 plus 9, 5, 19 upon 5 is the value. 19 upon 5 is the answer, because P has coordinate value of x 14 upon 5 and value of y of P point 19 upon 5 if A and B divide by in the ratio 2:3, while A has coordinate 2, 3 and B has coordinate 4 and 5. The second point of section formula is also very easy. The value of midpoint, if there is a line A and B and the coordinate of A x1 y1 and the coordinate of B x2 y2, and there is a midpoint M which is at the middle, and what is the value of these x and y? It means what is the value of coordinate of M to get the solution x, x1 plus x2 upon 2 and get the value equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. You can easily get the answer of midpoint of 2 points A and B. Suppose that x is 3, y is 4 and this is 5 and this is 6. Then what is the value of x and y? x1 is 3 plus x2 is 5 upon 2, 8 upon 2, 4. And what is the value of y? y1 4 plus y2 6 upon 2, 10 upon 2, 5. So value of x is 4 and 5. You can easily calculate the value of midpoint of between 2 points A and B. And the third point of section formula is also very easy. You can also calculate the centroid of triangle. If there is a triangle A, B and C, then what is the value of centroid P? If A has coordinate x1, y1 and B has coordinate x2, y2 and C has coordinate x3, y3, then how can you calculate the value of P? Means coordinate of x and y of P. To get the coordinate of centroid x, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and get the value y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. You can get x, x1. If x1 2, 3, 4, 5, then x1 2, x2 3, x3 4 upon 3, 3 to 5, 4, 9 upon 3 is equal to 3. Thus the answer is 3. And get the value of y. The value of y is equal to y1 3, y2 4 and y3 5 upon 3, 4, 3, 7, 5, 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. Then value is 4 and you can get the coordinate of centroid point P in triangle ABC. The answer is 3 and 4. It is very easy and you can solve all the problem without any hesitation or without any problem, applying these three formula only. If you want to solve the numerical question of exercise of M.L. Agrawal, O.P. Malhotra, Kansai Selina, R.S. Agrawal, all the answer in order of latest edition has been given to our website icschhelp.com and link has been given to the below of this video, and in next video we will learn about the equation of straight line. Please wait. Thank you and like it if you share it.